Status access violation error in Chrome. So if you're having the status access violation error on your Google Chrome browser, it's actually quite very simple to fix it. So in order to fix it, first of all, if you're having the issues, you can try to clear or restart your browser. Now, before you do that, you can just click on the three dots option from the top right and just navigate towards settings. On the bottom left, you can see this option that says About Chrome. Here it will check for updates and it will automatically update Chrome to the latest version. And you just have to relaunch or reopen your browser. After you do that, you can also go to Privacy and Security from the top left, select Delete Browsing Data, and make sure to delete your browsing history, cookies, and your cache images and files. And then click the Delete Data button to able to delete it, and then again relaunch your browser, and that should help you solve the problem. So I hope this video pretty much helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.